Hello my viewers, today I have a different version of our section. You know, Teller Electrical Services, it also has a workshop which deals with welding works. So today there is a video that I have uploaded, and the video shows how to construct an oven that uses firewood to cook breads or to bake breads and cakes. So just use firewood instead of buying an oven that uses electricity. Now we have improvised the one that you can use just firewood or charcoal to bake the bread or cake. And this oven that you see here in this video, it has a capacity of cooking, it has a capacity of baking, sorry, it's bake not cooking, it had a capacity of baking 50 breads.